We'll skip this part. Right guys, hello. Thank you for coming back, if you have come back. If it's the first time to the channel, hello. I'm Bike Like Mike. Obviously my name's Mike. And if you've clicked on this video, you're probably interested about the KTM news. And for those of you who don't know, KTM have just released a statement about the 790 Duke and how they are going to re-release the 790 in 2022. Come along. However, there's a bit of a catch to it. So they're releasing the KTM 790 Duke in 2022, and you might be thinking, well, what about the 890R? Well, the answer to that is the 890R is staying exactly where it is. It's a great bike. It fixed everything that, I say fixed, it improved on everything the 790 didn't really do too well. But their plans for the 790, oh god, I haven't got a bad thing about not having mirrors there. Brilliant example. Get mirrors. Yes, so back to the subject in hand. So what they're going to do, apparently, is release a 790 with 105 horsepower if you live outside of, I think it's Europe, or is it the rest of Europe are going to get the 105 horsepower bike, and just the UK is going to get a 95 horsepower version. So they're detuning the 790 Duke from 105 horsepower, according to their website, so it complies with the A2 license. Now, I'm not that familiar with the A2 license, but yeah, I don't know what the rules are, but yeah, it will be compliant with the A2 license. And then as another thing they're going to do is what I hate manufacturers for doing this, but they're going to make the quick shifter and various electrical aids as an optional extra. So I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and he said his dad's his dad's 1290 Duke didn't come with this quick shifter as standard. I'm thinking, what? That's like a 16 grand bike. We've over dip. So if you want that extra gadgets and gizmos, I'm assuming the quick shifter blipper and maybe launch control, I don't know what else they're going to like take off of it. Hardware wise, they won't remove anything. I think it will have all the necessary things you need to have all these things. However, it will be controlled with you paying a dealership a bit of cash, and then them unlocking the whatever it is you want, like the quick shifter. So they'll unlock it, and you'll just end up paying more, essentially. It's fucking, it pisses me off. I hate it. Just like, make it bike good. Stop making people, it's like Apple. It reminds me of Apple, really, how they you know, you sell you a charger but you need to buy the lead. That's the stupid shit like that. It's really frustrating, but whatever. So that's what they're doing. They're re-releasing the 790 as an A2 compliant bike, which I kind of have mixed feelings about. I'm not really, I don't know, the 790 is a great bike, but I don't really want a A2 like everyone to think, oh, it's an A2 compliant bike. I shouldn't really care what people think, really. But yeah, tell me what you think. What do you guys think? Leave something in the comments. How you think? I'm actually thinking of selling my bike, because I don't know what it will do to the value. I don't know if the value will go up, or if, you know, it won't go up, but I'm wondering if it will at least sort of hold a bit more money, especially if there's a brand new one. That's weird. Don't know that guy. But yeah, we'll see, I guess, guys. Frustrating, but also interesting times. I think I might just upgrade to a litre bike, or I don't know, I say upgrade, I might just get a bigger bike just because I kind of fancy it. I'm in a dangerous situation at the moment where I'm tempted to buy a watch, tempted to buy a nice watch or upgrade the bike. would also like to apologise for not being around in the last couple of weeks. I managed to catch old Rona, the old Rona virus. Can't really report that it was very nice. Being stuck inside is never good. It's a bit of old news really now, isn't it? Basically like just having the flu, if you ask me. But yeah, I hope all you guys are doing exceptionally well. I shall be uploading a little bit more now I'm back and the sun is out. We had a sandstorm the other day. Odd. Can't say I've ever seen sand I saw sand settling on like all sorts of cars. It's like orangey sort of brown sand just everywhere. Quite interesting. But yeah, for now, take care all. I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.